Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have created this green eye look along with coral lips and a very easy base. And as it's Eid time, you can very well wear this look for your Eid celebrations as well. And I'll show you in steps how to get this look. So without any more wait, let's get started with this video. So I always like to start with my eyes first because in case of any fallout, I don't want my under eye to go all raccoon eyes. Also, I have already exfoliated and moisturized my skin before starting the makeup. And I'll be mentioning each and every product into the description box, so please make sure to check that. Going ahead with the eyes, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and we'll be applying it all over the lid and then blending it using Beauty Blender. Now with very little powder, I'll be setting this eye base using this small powder brush and my L'Oreal Infallible powder. Now taking coral shade from my most favorite palette, the NYX Ultimate palette, and my Real Techniques blending eyeshadow blending brush, will be going into the crease. And what I like doing is I like holding my brush at the very end so that there is not a lot of pressure onto the color and the eyes. And I like to go into circular motion. What this does is this packs the color as well as keeps on blending it, so the blending process becomes very easy. Now for the lid area, I'll be going in with my I Heart Revolution Mermaids palette and using this green shade, I'll be applying it all over the lid. This is more like a shimmery shade and the brush that I'll be using is a flat brush. So we'll only be packing the color onto the lid and not really blending it. We'll be blending it later on. Now once we're done with that, I'll be going in with the coral shade again using the same blending brush. And the key to a good eyeshadow look is blending and blending. You need to keep on blending until you're happy with the output. Harsh edges look really bad onto the eyes, so you need to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. Now to add some depth to the eyes, we'll be using this dark brown shade from the same NYX palette and applying it into the outer crease area. And I'll not be taking it all inside the crease, but I'll just be concentrating into the ends of the eyelid and just blending it a bit inside. And the best way to apply any nice pigmented eyeshadow onto the lid is using your finger. So I have used that and finally I was satisfied with the pigmentation, and then going back and forth into the coral shade again and blending until I was happy with the result. Fallout from these palettes is almost nothing, but still I just cleaned my under eye area with a wet wipe, and then we'll be going in with a foundation because we had already used the NYX Born to Glow thing for our priming. And now I'll just be taking the foundation and applying it all over my face using the Beauty Blender. So the Beauty Blender, I don't feel really blends, but what it really does is it deposits and it buffs the foundation into our skin while settling it into the skin, so it looks full coverage, and it also gives a nice blended effect. So I love the use of a Beauty Blender because it is the best tool to apply a foundation. And we always need to make sure that we're covering our neck and ears with the foundation. Also right now my face might look a bit too white because I was filming in natural light and the light was sometimes very bright, sometimes low. So yeah, don't worry, it was all looking good. After that, I'll be using concealer, and for the concealer I've used my favorite Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. And what I like doing is I like concentrating the concealer into the very inner corner of the eye and not really taking it too far, because I think that much of product is more than enough for giving a very good under eye coverage. And if you feel, you can build it up, but I do not like using a lot of concealer under my eyes. I feel that is just so unnecessary, and I like a bright under eye, so I use a lighter shade as well of the same concealer, and I concentrate it into the very inner corner, and then I just blend it out using my Beauty Blender, and it gives a very natural and seamless effect. My contour, I have used Sephora's contour stick, and this is such a beautiful product. It's a brilliant product. So I've used it and I have contoured my face into the usual areas, that is into the hollows of my cheeks and my forehead, my jawline. So yeah, I've used the contours there. And while contouring, please make sure that you're giving an effect of facelift and not really, so the positioning of the contour lines are very important. We need to take care of that. Now to avoid any creasing under the eyes, I have used the same L'Oreal Infallible powder to set my under eye concealer, and after that I'll be setting all of the places where I have contoured using my Mama Bahama bronzer, and it is such a gorgeous product. I have almost used it all up. And for my nose contour, I have used this small oval brush, and using the same contour bronzer powder of Mama Bahama, I have contoured my nose today. The blush I have used Sugar Cosmetic is such a gorgeous shade. I just love it how it looks on our Indian skin. While applying the blush, what I like doing is I do not like making any face, because imagine you going somewhere and you're not going to be smiling all the time, because usually we make that smiling face and then we apply blush, right? But when you're not smiling, the face just drops down, so that gives an aged effect. So what we should rather do is we should keep our face still and then apply the blush, so that it looks normal even while we are not smiling. Even for the highlighter, I like to study my face first as to where the natural light is falling on my face and where it is naturally glowing, and then I just highlight those areas, because that looks very natural, especially during a daytime look. I've also highlighted my eyebrow bone using the same highlighter, and this will give a very lifted look to my eye area. And this blush and highlight palette of Makeup Revolution is just so beautiful. It goes great with the daytime look. So I've used this semi-golden shade from this Makeup Revolution palette for my highlighter, and using the same shade and this smaller eye brush, I have used it into the inner corner of my eyes to give a more wakeful and open eye effect. And for my eyebrow today, I have used one of my most favorite products, that is Lakme Absolute's eyebrow pencil. This is such a gorgeous product from Lakme, and the best part of it I feel is the packaging, where you have spoolie at one end and the pencil at the other end. So it's so convenient to use. First you can just hair area and then you can just apply the product. So it's so easy to use. As this was a daytime look, I didn't want it to be a very bold eyeliner look, so I just smudged the eye line using the same brown shade and the same brush. And I love curling my lashes. I just love the effect that it gives, and after this you hardly need to apply any falsies also, because the mascara will do the work. So yeah, I've just curled my lash, and then I have used my most favorite mascara ever, that is the Maybelline mascara, and I have applied double coat of mascara. Also, I just love loading my lower lashes with the mascara, because that gives such a beautiful open eye look to that very Barbie eye look, and it looks very beautiful. So always make sure that you're even applying the mascara onto the lower lash. And yeah, here while applying the mascara, accidents do happen, and when the mascara or the eyeliner goes anywhere on your face while your face is all done, then you can always use micellar water and a Q-tip to get it all removed, and then just use some foundation again or a concealer to correct that. And here I have changed my outfit, and I wanted to pair this eye with a coral lip. For that I have used shade Antwerp from NYX soft matte lip cream, I guess, and this looks so beautiful. Also the formula of these liquid lipsticks is so amazing that it's so moisturizing to the lips, so I've used that. And along with that I have used Lakme Absolute lip liner, and I love this lip liner so much. I mean, this is so old, like I've almost used it all up, and with all my pink lips I almost end up using this lip liner. I just love this lip liner. And here I wore my earrings, I have completely dressed up, I straightened my hair a little bit, and this was the complete look, you guys. I hope you guys like this look. I had so much fun filming this look. Eid Mubarak to all of you celebrating. I love filming this video, and if you guys like this look, then please give it a thumbs up, give this video a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next one. Till then, bye.